Do you need a foolproof recipe for tempeh? Well, I have one for you. Try this delicious sticky garlic tempeh and there will be no going back from here. Let's get started. So what's tempeh? It's a traditional Indonesian food made from fermented soybeans and a naturally high source of protein. It is also high in fiber and vitamins. So basically, tempeh is just soybean, water and fermented culture, and it's so versatile as you can mold it and prepare it in so many ways. I had let the tempeh rest outside the fridge for 1 hour so it could thaw and then come at room temperature. That way, it is easy to slice and work with it. I'm going to slice the tempeh in small cubes, but you can go with long and thin slices or even grate it. Tempeh absorbs the flavors and spices very well, so slicing it thin will result in better marination process. We are going to keep it simple. Take soy sauce, vinegar, lime juice, agave syrup. You can replace it with sugar or maple syrup as well. Ketchup or tomato sauce of your choice. Red chili flakes. It's optional if you don't like it to be too spicy. Black pepper, and mix till everything is well combined. There are so many ways you can experiment with this marinade. You can increase or decrease the spice levels, add some of your favorite sauces. Try adding tamarind paste to it if you have, and that is a total game changer. I wanted to keep this recipe simple, so I went with the basic things you will have at home. Then add the tempeh cubes to it and coat them well. Make sure each and every cube is covered in the marinade and let it rest for a minimum of 1 hour. You can do this overnight as well. Let's start the actual cooking now. Heat a pan and add oil. Then add finely chopped garlic. Finely chopped green chilies, they are optional. Cook over low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Stir continuously as the garlic tends to stick to the bottom of the pan. Oh my, the smell of garlic and green chilies cooking together is not less than heaven. Now time to add the star of the dish, the marinated tempeh. As you can see, the sauce or the marinade is a little bit extra, and that's totally on purpose. I've swirled some water in the bowl and added it to the pan. I hate wasting even a little bit of this beautiful sauce. Stir fry the tempeh over medium heat for 5 minutes. Try to take a flatter pan for this recipe so you can separate the tempeh cubes directly on the base of the pan and they get cooked evenly. Then let it cook further for 4 to 5 minutes over low or medium heat. Stir in between if needed. Make sure every cube is touching the bottom of the pan. If you are new to veganism or just want to try new vegan recipes, I have an online course especially for beginners on Udemy, which can help you with easy recipes and steps to get started in your vegan or plant-based journey without feeling overwhelmed. Make sure to check out this link in the description section. And the tempeh looks good, the sauce is thickened as well and is perfect to the consistency I was looking for. If you want to make this recipe even more simpler, you can add garlic powder to the marinade and air fry the tempeh cubes. Do give it a try. Towards the end, I am garnishing it with some black and white sesame seeds along with chives. I love to add something green to these Indo Chinese recipes. You can replace chives with spring onion greens or even cilantro or coriander leaves. Give it that one final mix and the sticky, sweet and spicy garlic tempeh is ready. Doesn't it look amazing? You can eat it just like this or pair it with your tacos, pasta, rice, chapati or even nachos. I mean, the choice is yours. I went with some plain garlic pasta, and as you can see my pattern, I'm clearly obsessed with garlic. And that's why I prefer this recipe. So I can fry a lot of garlic and combine it with the sauce. You can't go wrong with this dish, and trust me, you need to try it. Definitely a game changer. My friends who never tried tempeh before loved the flavors and the texture of the whole dish. If you're skeptical or scared about trying tempeh, this Indo Chinese Garlic Tempeh recipe will change your mind. It is one of the easiest recipes you can try at home for tempeh, as it requires just a few ingredients. See how easy it is? So if you like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Foodotomic. I'll be back with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye. If you are in Uruguay, you must try different types and flavors of tempeh by Aminoteca. They are just fabulous.